letting the little details take their place. Now it's finally here, resting by my side, made for the moments that fill my life, made for my days, made for the roads I take, for water bottles, busy mornings, and everything I carry, made for my days, simple in every way, a small handmade companion, made for my days. The children sleep, the room is still, soft light shining on the windowsill. I hold the finished piece and quietly smile. Some things are worth a little while, made for my days, made for the roads I take, for summer walks and family outings, and everything I carry, made for my days, simple in every way, a small handmade companion, made for my days. The best things aren't always grand. Sometimes they're made by hand, made for my days, made for the roads I take, for water bottles, busy mornings, and everything I carry, made for my days, simple in every way, a small handmade companion, made for my days, made for my days. A few quiet nights, a few careful rows, following where the project goes, trying again, changing the shape, letting the little details take their place. Now it's finally here, resting by my side, made for the moments that fill my life, made for my day. children sleep. The room is still. Soft light shining on the windowsill. I hold the finished piece and quietly smile. Some things are worth a little while. Made for my days, made for the roads I take, for summer walks and family outings, and everything I carry. Made for my days, simple in every way, a small handmade companion made for my days. The best things aren't always grand. Sometimes they're made by hand. A few quiet nights, a few careful roads, following where the project goes, trying again, changing the shape, letting the little details take their place. Now it's finally here, resting by my side, made for the moments that fill my life, made for my days, made for the roads I take, for water bottles, busy mornings, and everything I carry, made for my days, simple in every way, a small handmade companion made for my days. The children sleep, the room is still, soft light shining on the windowsill. I hold the finished piece and quietly smile. Some things are worth a little while, made for my days, made for the roads I take, for summer walks and family outings, and everything I carry, made for my days, simple in every way, a small handmade companion made for my days. Made for my days. The best things aren't always grand. Sometimes they're made by hand. for the moments that fill my life, made for my